How we doing today, sir?
Good. How about you?
All right, very simple instructions. These black handles, you're gonna push them all the way forward to go. You're gonna pull them back to slow down. Do not stop on the track. Do not bump the car in front of you. Remain seated with the seatbelt buckled till you get all the way back up here. You understand my rules? Give me a big right thumbs up.
Yep.
Press forward. Good. Enjoy your ride.
Thank you, sir. Whoa! Well, this thing's probably, that's not too bad. Whoa! Whoa! That's pretty fun, right? Woo! Whoa, little bank turns. That's interesting. Whoa, pretty far down. Whoop.
Turn them loose once you start up the hill.
Alrighty, thanks, sir. Boink. Let's go.
All right, so you can go ahead and unbuckle that seatbelt for me. All right, so go ahead and slide out to the left. Enjoy.
Thank you.